Hello guys, welcome back to Graphic Island tutorial once again. In today's video we'll make a very simple logo. So for that we need to select the text tool first and write the title of the logo. So the text is CLEANSE. Now drag it by pressing and holding Shift and Alt key on your keyboard and make bigger in size. And now go to object and expand it. Okay. Now let us separate each letter of the text. So ungroup it, and now you can see everyone is separated. Now let us take this pen tool and draw a curve from here and click on this anchor point and take up to this. Now remove the fill color from here, click on none and give outer lines a color. You can change the outer line color from here too. And now take this smooth tool and move over the curve because we need a smooth curve. Yeah, now it looks fine. Next thing is select this curve and increase the stroke from here. And from here choose the first option. Now select this and rotate little bit. Now select this again and from here expand it. And we need to cut this portion here, so take this rectangular tool and draw a shape from here and drag it, and here as well. So now select these two objects and this object by pressing Shift key and take this shape builder tool. Now press and hold Alt key and delete this portion, and here too. Now select this and from here click on Unite and now ungroup it. So this is separated now. Now let us draw a leaf here. So take this pen tool and from here draw it like this. Let me zoom it little bit so that you can easily see it. And remove the fill color. Click on this anchor point and bring it up to here and click. Give this outline color and match up with this and join these 2 points. Now select this and take direct selection tool, select this point and drag it like this. Select this point and take it little bit down. Select this and make the gap minimum. Bring it more down. And now you can use the smooth tool over this. Now it looks great. Now select this and remove the outline color and give the fill color. Now here we need to make a gap. So for that select this, go to object, path and offset path. So preview it so that you can see how much you are going to cut here. So let us decrease the points here. Okay, change the color. And now the next thing is take pen tool once again, and from here draw a curve like this and join up to here. Now select this and unite it first. Now select the objects and take shape builder tool, press and hold alt key and delete this area and delete this offset. Now here we need to match up with that, so draw a curve like this, select this and take shape builder tool, press and hold alt key and delete those unwanted areas. Now select this and unite it. Let us increase the size and make it a little bit bigger. Now select these two and unite it from here. Let us write the tagline here. Solutions. Now expand it. And here we need to make some shining objects. Go to shape tool, take ellipse tool, draw a circle by pressing and holding shift key, and take this pen tool and draw a line here. Now align them. Here is a alignment option, and from here select align to the selection and make horizontal align center and vertical as well. Now select this and click on rotate tool, double click here and give 90°. Copy. Now select these two, increase the stroke from here and select the first option. Make it a little bit smaller. Now select them and go to object, expand appearance, and from here unite it. Make it smaller in size and put it here. Make it copy by pressing and holding alt key and make it one more here. Now let us change the color of the objects. Use the eyedropper and transfer the color. Here also give green color, and this is blue. And now ungroup it and up to here make blue color, and this one make it green, and select multiple objects by pressing shift key and use eyedropper and give this color. Our design is ready now. Let us export this logo in PNG 24 transparent. So go to file and export, save for web, and here you mark transparency, and you can see I have selected PNG 24, and here let us increase the percentage of the design. So I'm giving you here 200 so that it can easily fit on our mockup page, and save it wherever you want. So I am saving it on my desktop. Give any name and save it. Now open your Photoshop CS6 or CC, whatever you have. Now open your mockup file and PNG transparent logo image that you saved from Illustrator. So go to open, and here I'll use my mockup file, and now let us open our transparent PNG image that we saved in our desktop. Now click on mockup tab, and here is the option. Just click, make it double click here, and drag our this logo image over this mockup file. Okay, and increase the size of the image by pressing Alt key and drag it, and mark it, unmark this background, and close the tab. Yes, it is still applying, so wait for a bit. So here is our result. Hope you really like this tutorial. You can subscribe us for more updates.